Hi, we're here with Lazarus Lynch, a former New York Youth Institute intern and delegate to the World Food Prize, and he's going to talk a bit about his experience as an international intern and his plans now. Hi, Lazarus.
Hi, Francine.
Hi, can you tell me a little bit about your experience in China?
Absolutely. So I was working this summer at the Chinese Academy of Agricultural Sciences in Beijing, China. And I was doing an experiment on soybeans and inoculating soybeans to extract their nutritional content to add to other soy products. And so I would go through days of just developing soybeans, whether it was growing them, and then wounding them, cutting them, applying Aspergillus sojei, which is a type of elicitor, to them, so that the glycolin that's already within the soybean can be triggered. And so we went through a process of that 1 week, and then the next week we'll go through a process of incubating the soybeans, and once the soybeans have been incubated, they're now ready to be harvested. And the harvesting process was crushing the soybeans after they've been inoculated with the Aspergillus sojei, and adding about 80% ethanol to them, and putting them in a centrifuge machine. And the centrifuge machine actually separated the solids from the liquids. So we had the solids at the bottom of our tube and the liquids at the top. And we used those liquids as samples to put in our HPLC machine, which is high performance liquid chromatography. And chromatography is just a way of graphing liquids or sampling out any sort of product. And so we use the HPLC machine to sample our products to test where glycolin is present or where glycolin is most present within those samples. And based on that, we took that to the MS lab, which is the mass spectrometry lab, to do a further investigation on those tubes and the glycolin that are found inside the soybeans. And so the entire objective of the study was to find how we can use the glycolin, how we can first extract it from those soy products to add them to other soy products as well. Yeah.
And have these products been developed so far into snacks or some other soy products, or it's still yet to be developed?
So this study has actually been going on for about 30 years now.
Oh my.
But they have yet to actually implement it into some foods because there's still a bit uncertainty about actually using the glycolin. But the glycolin is really important because it has been proven to reduce levels of cardiovascular disease, osteoporosis disease, and also certain types of cancer such as breast cancer. So there's been a lot of research still developing, and as you know, Francine, it takes a lot of research to finally get an answer to those problems.
Right, exactly. You sound like an expert, and you're only a
Thank
12th
you.
grader
I know.
at the Food and Finance High School, right?
Yes.
In New York City.
Yes.
What's next for you?
So next, I would like to go to Cornell University to study nutritional sciences. And Francine, let me tell you, nutritional sciences are so important to the needs of the world.
For sure.
And also to ending world hunger. And so this internship has shown me that the lab work is so crucial to the future of ending world hunger. I thought, just being in the farm or doing social sciences, working with people, getting in the ground is the biggest part of it. But honestly, today we're in a lot of technology, we're doing a lot with science, we're doing a lot with the development of science. And so that's a really important thing to me. So I would like to study nutritional sciences to help people really get a hold of the food that they need to enjoy their everyday lives.
Well done, Lazarus.
Thank you, Francine.
We'll hear more from you in the future,
you.
I'm sure.
Yes.
All the best.
Bye.
Bye-bye.